Wow, what a difference. Talk me through it.
What do you imagine this room to be?
I would imagine it to be a study area, to be honest. Are you thinking the same thing?
Yeah.
Because you've got a great outlook here, bit of greenery, you've got good natural sun that's north facing, so you're always gonna have sun throughout the day. Vanity in progress?
Vanity in progress. Beautiful mirrors already here, so all of that's literally being done today.
Okay.
It's all hands on deck.
Wow.
Yeah. The new pendant lining over the kitchen's been done.
Love it.
The handles
Love.
in the kitchen.
This just blends in so well together, doesn't it?
I know.
And the splashback.
Yeah.
Subtle, it's not too aggressive, but it gives it a bit of character.
Yeah, so the whole idea was that we didn't want to reinvent the wheel. We wanted to obviously work with the existing kitchen.
Yes.
So the tiles, I feel, look like they've been there before.
Yep.
Which is cool.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Yeah.
Over here you can see all the new lighting has gone in.
The timber look was nice as well, but it just makes it more modern and just gives it that tasteful touch, doesn't it?
I think you
and
also
it blends in
notice
well.
the beams, yeah.
Yeah, it blends in well.
We do have a feature wall, but it's super, super subtle. So we've gone for a really, really pale sage tone.
Yep.
And no one even knew that it was green till the
You
white
put the light
wall
fittings.
lights.
Yeah.
But it pops, it's
Yeah,
cool.
it does.
But the flooring is the next step. We're grinding, we're repolishing. The floors at the front are being sanded and then restained.
Are we still going for the dark stain on the floors,
We're
or we're
going
changing?
dark.
Okay, great.
We're going dark.
Great.
We're gonna be brave.
Yep.
It'll pay off. It's gonna look so crisp. I'll take you upstairs. New wall lights.
Yep.
Look at this. Look how clean
Fresh.
and beautiful it looks.
So fresh.
In the master suite.
Wow, what a difference it has.
Doesn't it feel
Without
massive?
even anything here. Wow. With the blinds, are we going to the ceiling?
I think just above.
Just above?
Because it's all got to be neat. I didn't want anything too bulky. I just don't even want the blinds to be part of the effect.
Okay. Yeah, fair enough.
Everything's nice and crisp. Imagine an art gallery. You don't want things everywhere.
Yeah.
So yeah, they're the updates that we've had consistently happening on site.
I am absolutely digging the direction.
It'll be done in about 10 days from now.
Okay.
Next time you see us, this house will be done.